We have unboxed the HUAWEI Watch Fit and now we'll be unboxing the new HUAWEI FreeLace Pro. Delay no more, here's the box of the HUAWEI FreeLace Pro. Once open the box, you'll see the earphone, followed by two white boxes. The first box has the warranty card and quick guide manual, followed by a USB charging cables and some ear tips in different sizes. The one that I have is the graphite black colors that match very well with my HUAWEI Watch Fit. The HUAWEI FreeLace Pro is a neck-band in-ear earphone. It sports a powerful 14mm dynamic driver that features dual mic active noise cancellations, HUAWEI high pair where charging and pairing made easy, magnetic snap that power on or off the earphone when the earbuds are attached or disconnect to conserve battery. Coming to battery life, the FreeLace Pro offers up to 24-hour playback with a single charge. It also supports quick charge technology where a 5-minute charge you can enjoy 5 hours of playback. There are 4 buttons on the neckband, which are the power buttons on the side, volume buttons and function button. Double pressing the power button will allow you to swivel devices at breeze if you are sharing the earphone with 2 devices. The fitting of this earbud is pretty good as it's very lightweight and features thin wings ear tips. Switching ANC on or off and ambient mode can be done by press and hold the left earbud for 2 seconds to change between. How I wish there's an app for a more intuitive experience. According to HUAWEI, the FreeLace Pro will automatically switch to gaming modes when you are in game mode where it will offer 150 millisecond low latency. Coming to sound qualities, I would say the bass is a little hollow and the treble is a little flat for my liking. The overall clarities and soundstage are acceptable for workout earphone, which it does best. The ANC does help reduce the rumbling sound and the white noise is pretty minimum. The HUAWEI FreeLace Pro is an ideal earphone for those who are into fitness and it matches perfectly with the HUAWEI Watch Fit. If you are interested to get the HUAWEI FreeLace Pros, you can get them now for RM399 starting from today. Hope you like this video. To give us a thumbs up, do consider subscribe to the channels and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong. See you guys again soon.